Hi artist, so we should be ready to do our next step on our weaving. We're going to do something called overweaving. And to prepare our overweaving, we will need to have strips of paper. You could paint strips of paper, but if you have colored construction paper, that would be great. And first we're going to draw designs onto those strips of paper and then cut them in half. So in that case, I'm going to show you right on my weaving how I did that. So I have my weaving here that I had worked on last week. I have extra strips of paper that I've gotten ready, and if you notice, I just have a variety of colors that I'm going to be weaving into my weaving. Now I'll take a pencil, and with that pencil I'm going to go ahead and draw out some of those designs that I had planned out earlier. So you can see I'm trying to select the strip that I'd like to draw on. So I'm drawing on that yellow strip first. You can see I have a scallop design on that yellow strip. I'll keep going on from there, making a drawing on each of the strips. Take your time. The more detail that you have, the more interesting your weaving will become. And now I'm going to pick up those beautiful designs that I've created on my strips, and I'm just going to grab my scissors and begin cutting those apart. So you're taking the same type of strips that you used for your weaving, creating a design on top of it, and then cutting it into pieces. So I'm going to finish cutting some of those strips so I can weave those into my final weaving. And cutting might take a while depending on the type of design that you have. So boys and girls, now I have all those strips cut, and now we're going to be doing the overweaving part. So I'm sliding each of those strips over the top of an existing strip. And I have different designs that I've created. I also flipped each of the strips so the pencil lines would face down and the bottom rather than facing the top. If I would have left the pencil lines facing up, I would have had to take some time to erase all those pencil lines so it wouldn't distract from my beautiful Kente style weaving. I really want you to look closely at these overweaves so you can see what happens when you have an overweave. You'll notice that it creates another design by the overweave. Okay, now I'm just finishing up, so you finish your weaving as well. Take care of doing all of your overweaving, and next week we'll add one more step to our beautiful weavings. See you then.